The Hikity 9-inch car stereo is an excellent upgrade for Toyota Tacoma vehicles from 2005 to 2013, offering a seamless plug-and-play installation. With built-in wireless and wired CarPlay as well as Android Auto, this stereo transforms your car's screen into a smart interface akin to an iPad. It includes a high-definition HD backup camera and supports HiFi and various equalizer settings, enhancing your driving experience with crystal-clear visuals and audio. The Mirror Link feature allows users to project maps and videos from both iOS and Android devices onto the car's screen, providing a superior viewing experience. Its 1024 by 600 high-definition touchscreen ensures excellent brightness and viewing angles, with the capability to output video to car headrests for shared entertainment. Additional features include Bluetooth hands-free calling, both online and offline maps, built-in Wi-Fi receiver, and compatibility with steering wheel controls, making it a comprehensive multimedia system.